Opening a retail store involves more than just finding the right location and stocking inventory. Understanding the legal requirements is crucial to ensure your business starts on solid ground and avoids costly penalties or shutdowns. Before you open your doors to customers, you'll need to navigate a complex web of licenses and permits. These requirements vary by location, but most retail businesses need several common licenses. You'll typically need a sales tax license to collect and remit taxes on purchases. A city or county business license is often required to operate legally within your jurisdiction. If you're selling specific products like alcohol, you'll need specialized permits for those items. Many retailers also need a resale license, which allows you to purchase inventory without paying sales tax, since your customers will pay it when they buy from you. Depending on your store's physical characteristics, you might need sign permits, fire department permits, and health department licenses. Your physical location comes with its own set of requirements. A certificate of occupancy verifies that your building complies with zoning laws, building codes, and safety regulations. This document is typically issued after passing inspections from local departments. Before signing a lease, confirm that your chosen location is properly zoned for retail operations, as operating in an area not zoned for retail could force you to close. The Americans with Disabilities Act requires physical retail spaces to be accessible to customers with disabilities. This includes entrance access, adequate parking, and appropriate interior layout. Non-compliance can lead to lawsuits and penalties. Before applying for licenses, you'll need to decide on your business structure. Options include sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, or corporation. Each entity type has different legal protections, tax implications, and formation requirements. Consulting with a business attorney or accountant can help you make the right choice for your situation. If you're using a business name other than your legal name, you'll need to register it. This might be called a DBA, doing business as, fictitious name registration, or business name registration, depending on your state. You'll also need an employer identification number from the IRS, which functions like a social security number for your business. For retailers planning to hire employees, additional compliance measures are necessary. You must display current federal and state labor law posters in your store. Most states require businesses with employees to carry workers' compensation insurance. You'll need to comply with minimum wage laws, overtime pay requirements, and break regulations. Each new hire requires completion of Form I-9 to verify employment eligibility. Online retailers face many of the same requirements as brick-and-mortar stores, plus some additional considerations. You must understand sales tax nexus laws, which determine where you're required to collect sales tax based on your business presence. Your website should comply with accessibility guidelines to avoid discrimination claims. E-commerce regulations from the Federal Trade Commission require clear pricing, privacy policies, and secure checkout processes. If you're opening a franchise retail store, you'll have unique legal considerations. The franchise agreement outlines your obligations to the franchisor and should be reviewed by a qualified attorney. Some states have specific franchise registration requirements, and franchisors must provide a franchise disclosure document outlining fees and responsibilities. Legal compliance doesn't end once your store opens. Most licenses require periodic renewal, typically annually or biannually. You must file business taxes and sales tax reports accurately and on time. Major business changes, such as ownership transfers or address changes, must be reported to relevant agencies. Your insurance coverage should be reassessed regularly to ensure adequate protection. Starting a retail business requires careful planning and attention to legal details. Begin by creating a comprehensive business plan that includes realistic budget projections. Open a business checking account to separate personal and business finances. Consider applying for credit under your business name to establish a credit history, which can help secure future funding. For employees, create a handbook outlining policies and procedures. This ensures consistent treatment and can protect your business in the event of disputes. When purchasing products to sell, your resale license allows you to buy tax-exempt from distributors and manufacturers. By understanding and fulfilling all legal requirements for your retail store, you create a solid foundation for business success. Proper licensing and compliance protect you from penalties, build trust with customers and suppliers, and allow you to focus on growing your business rather than resolving preventable legal issues.